What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I just got myself a Red Bull. I was off last night, so I'm usually having an energy drink every single day. As soon as I get to work, I buy one, and that's my coffee for the day, or for the night. But since I was off last night, my body's been like begging me to get an energy drink. Anyways, today we're gonna go buy some paint because I gotta take care of the s2000 trunk. It's getting really bad. If you guys don't remember, in some previous videos I've shown you guys how bad the paint got, so I'm over it. It's time to get it done. I'm just gonna start sanding it and get it looking good again. But I just realized I'm out of paint, so I gotta go buy a little bit of paint and then we'll get started on it. Oh damn, I almost fell. Alright guys, we made it to Mesa Paints. This is where I get all my paints. Let's go get like a little quart or something, which is all I need for a trunk. So I got what I needed, picked it up at Mesa Auto Paint. I got some paint and some hardener for the clear coat because I ran out. All right, we made it back home, and let me show you guys really quick the old paint. That thing was gone. Check it out. Yeah, this thing's dried out. I didn't have much of the gallon. It's been like 5 years, so I just need a little bit. I got a quart and I got some hardener for the clear coat. I do have the pearl that I bought last year. I've been wanting to get this trunk done for about a year now. I've been putting it off because it is a lot of work and it's hot, but I'm just tired of looking at the car, looking at the trunk like that. It's sad to see the car neglected, so we're gonna get it done today. All right, so we're gonna start by removing this wiring harness. I already unplugged it. It was just 2 little clips that lead to those connectors. Bam, it's out. Look at this poor little trunk. We got some scratches right here, this right here. The worst part is this up here. It's looking pretty rough. See that? All right, so I'm already expecting to get really dirty from this. I found my electric sander. I think I'm gonna be hitting it with 100 first to get the thick layer of paint off, then 150, and then last 220 before I start prepping it for paint. I will primer the parts where I completely took off the old paint and then get it ready for paint. Now that we got the trunk all sanded down, I'm gonna give it a quick wipe with some rubbing alcohol just to get off any kind of grease or stuff that came off my hands or any dirt, just to wipe it down. I have a little bit of paint coming off, so that means that the clear coat is all sanded down. All right guys, I got the trunk all ready to go. I masked the tail light or the third brake light. Yeah, I'm gonna mix the paint now, and I also have to mix it with some reducer. So half of this and half of that. This should be enough to paint the whole trunk. I just primered the trunk. It's ready to go. I'm letting it sit for a little bit before I actually apply the paint once again. So like I said, nothing too perfect. There is a few imperfections, but I'm not looking for perfection at this point. I just want the trunk to look decent, even paint all around, nice and shiny, because like you guys saw, the paint was literally lifting. Letting it dry, and then we're gonna add the paint. Forgot how much I love painting. I hate disassembling stuff, but just painting it and then reassembling body parts on the car, there's something rewarding about it. Alright guys, now I'm just mixing the clear coat. It's the final step and the trunk should be good to go. Not really rushed it, I just didn't really take much time. I'm not trying to make it perfect. One thing that I learned is that the clear coat does have to be like mixed pretty good, so I do take a little bit more time mixing. So yeah, I can't wait. Damn, camera can't even focus on the yellow.